Attach the searchlight to the battery by inserting the searchlight's feet into the holes on top of the battery. Slide the searchlight back until the searchlight locks into place. Attach the power cord's female end to the 4-pin connector on the back of the searchlight. Attach the other end of the power cord to the battery. Twist to lock the connectors. The Max Beam searchlight has two onboard switches, a red on-off switch and a black 4-way switch. To turn the searchlight on, press the red on-off switch. The light will start on high power for 2 seconds, then drop to normal power. The Maxa Beam has a motorized beam width adjustment from 1 degree to 40 degrees. To adjust the beam to the narrow spot, push the 4-way switch forward. To increase the beam to flood, pull the 4-way switch back. To activate the searchlight strobe, rock and hold the 4-way switch to the left. The default setting is momentary strobe, which means the light will only strobe when the 4-way switch is held to the left. If you would like to set the left button function to continuous strobe, perform this optional programming sequence. With the searchlight on, press and hold the on-off switch while rocking the 4-way switch to the left 1 time. Release both switches. Turn the searchlight on and wait 2 seconds. Rock the 4-way switch to the left. The searchlight will now remain in continuous strobe until the 4-way switch is rocked to the left again. To activate high beam, rock and hold the 4-way switch to the right. The default setting is momentary high, which means the searchlight will only stay on high beam while the 4-way switch is held to the right. If you would like to set the right button function to continuous high, perform this optional program sequence. With the searchlight on, press and hold the on-off switch while rocking the 4-way switch right 2 times. Release both switches. Turn the light on and wait 2 seconds. Rock the 4-way switch to the right. The searchlight will now remain in high beam mode until the 4-way switch is rocked right again. The Maxa Beam searchlight can be used with a variety of filters, including an infrared filter, amber filter, and collimating lens. To attach a filter, line up the 3 tabs on the filter with the slots on the front of the searchlight. Place the filter over the front of the light and turn the filter counterclockwise until fully seated. The filter will lock into place. For complete operation instructions, optional programming sequences, and important safety information, please consult the Maxa Beam Searchlight's Operation Manual, available for download at www.peakbeam.com.